From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Well, weather-wise, couldn't ask for a better start to spring. Here we are about an hour and 12 minutes into spring, and a beautiful day today. A nice breeze out there and a great sun glint here. Thanks to Justin Terrell for getting that weather shot for us. And let's talk about spring. It is actually called the vernal equinox. It's an equinox because we hit equal time as the Earth travels around the sun in its yearly travels. Now, by the way, this is not drawn to actual stats, but during the winter we're actually closer to the sun. But in the summer, we're farther away, but we're tilted more directly to the sun. And this day, on this day at 4:58 this afternoon, the sun was directly over the equator as the Earth is now leaning closer and closer to the sun, or more direct to the sun. So all areas get about 12 hours of sunlight in this scenario from the Arctic Circle down through the Antarctic. We're roughly at about 12 hours and 6 minutes for daylight today, because of our latitude being a little bit higher than the Tropic of Cancer. But as we head into the summer months and summer on June 20th, the sun's rays are most directly over the Tropic of Cancer, and that's when we have the longest days in the northern hemisphere and short days to no days once you get down into the Antarctic Circle. Normally right around June 20th here in Acadiana, our longest days are a little bit over 14 hours long. So that's when we see those longest days, and those numbers increase between now and June. And then, of course, you have your winter solstice. That's when the sun is most directly over the Tropic of Capricorn down here in the southern hemisphere. So big picture, once again, weather affecting the west coast, snow at elevation. Parts of this storm system will be our next weather maker, and that comes along about Monday. Meanwhile, we're seeing showers and maybe some embedded thunder showing up across portions of Arkansas, moving over the relatively high waters of the Mississippi, and right now still no real good guidance on how things are going to go a couple of weeks into April, but I would think we're going to see a similar bump. But right now some of what I'm hearing is nothing higher than what we've seen right now, but I wouldn't trust that, at least at this point. Meanwhile, we do have that frontal boundary generating some clouds to the west. We're going to see some of those clouds as we head into the evening hours, but it shouldn't interrupt our viewing of that supermoon. Nice and comfortable temperatures, upper 60s to lower 70s, and we'll be in the 60s when that supermoon rises later on tonight. Nice and cool by tomorrow morning, into the upper 40s once again. High pressure rebuilds across the area. Sunny and mild one for our Thursday. Another cool start going into Friday morning, mid to upper 40s, and then going into Friday afternoon, nice and mild, lots of sunshine. As we head into the weekend, we do expect more clouds, mostly sunny start to Saturday, but clouds coming in for the afternoon, but staying dry for most of the weekend, and that's the good news. We'll take a look at that European model coming up tonight at 10. As for the supermoon, why not the equinox special? It's not often that we have a supermoon on the equinox. I think the last one was about 30 years ago. Moonrise at 7:11 tonight, so you can't really see it usually unless you have a completely unobstructed view on the horizon. It will be at its fullest and brightest at 8:44 this evening, so look for that later on tonight. It'll be illuminating the skies and roughly 12% brighter as compared to when the moon's a little bit further away from us. So enjoy that. Nice and bright moon out there. I just shared a nice picture on social media about a moonshot from last night that looks spectacular. So check that out. More info there as well. Mid-40s your low tomorrow morning, northern parishes. So another cool one. This is just the sweet spot of weather where at night you don't need the heater, and during the day you don't need the air conditioner, especially when it's as dry as it is. So cooling off again tonight, mid to upper 40s, and much the same coastal areas with the exception of Cameron by the water, a little bit milder there. So after that cool start tomorrow, we get back into the low to mid 70s. I'm going above computer guidance. They've been a couple of degrees too low. Like yesterday, the forecast from the model guidance was 69, 70, or 71. We hit 74 today. We'll probably do the same again tomorrow. Mid to upper 40s again tomorrow night into Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon pushing into the mid 70s. Just stellar weather. That, by the way, has been way long overdue. So a nice cool cool night tonight. Some clouds coming in. That could frame the supermoon pretty nicely as it's rising in the eastern sky later on. Wind shifting out of the northwest as that secondary ridge of high pressure builds in. 48 the low, so a little bit cooler than normal. Then tomorrow, normal high this time of year should be 73, so pretty much on track there. And lots of sunshine. Pardon me. Should be a beautiful day, except for the pollen that's affecting our voices sometimes and our sinuses. As we get into Saturday, Sunday, more clouds, but we'll keep it dry for the most part. Chance of showers and some storms. Maybe a slim threat of severe weather on Monday, but I'm not sold on that. And then another round of some nice weather much of next week.
I just can't wait to stop scratching my eyes.
Yeah,
and
I know. Commercial breaks have been filled
here.
with clearing throats over here at this desk.
And it's so dry out there right now. Humidity is at 22%. That is very low for this time of year.
Never thought I'd wish for humidity, but there it is.
Yeah,
Thanks, Rob.
Thank you, Rob.